Hello and welcome to this ZENworks highlights on ZENworks Information Collection Utility, typically called ZENinfo. This video will highlight the ZENworks info collect command that can be run on a device to gather information about the device that is having problems for support or troubleshooting. This command is available on all supported managed devices, Linux, Windows, and Mac iOS, and anywhere the ZENworks agent is available, managed devices, satellite servers, and primary servers. It is best before gathering logs to set your device in debug mode. Experience the issue, then run the ZENinfo command to capture all the necessary components and services, files, and logs after experiencing that issue. The information collected is pretty much the same across all the different platforms: agent cache, configuration data, device debug logs, inventory data, product install information, refresh times, status event information, system information, Zeus related information, Z icon property pages. ZENinfo, as mentioned before, collects information to assist in troubleshooting ZENworks issues. It is available on all supported platforms, as mentioned. The log output locations depend on how it is run and what temporary directories are present. So make note when you do run ZENinfo. Once complete, it will give you the path of that zip file. Devices without the ZENworks adaptive agent can still have information collected via the ZENworks information collection utility. The ZENinfo files are typically requested by tech support to get a full view of the ZENworks and OS operations at the time of failure by collecting various logs from the device. These can be uploaded to the SR, but there is a 50 megabyte limit for attachments to SRs. If the ZENinfo file is too large to attach to the SR, feel free to rename the file to identify the SR and upload to ftp:/fdp.novell.com/incoming. Make sure you notify the technical support staff or update the SR of the file name uploaded to the FTP site so we can locate it. Let's have a quick walkthrough. Let's take a quick look on a Windows 10 device. Notice the ZENinfo has completed. Depending on how much data there is and how many log files it needs to collect, depends on how long it takes. But it should just take a few minutes. Notice that in this particular case, it ends up in the user's profile under App Data Local Temp and the ZENinfo date and timestamp. If we were to upload this, I would just precursor the ZENinfo with the SR number, so when it's uploaded we can identify this particular device. We want to make sure, as mentioned, that the device is in debug mode, either set here or set in ZCC, to make sure that we collect all the necessary logs. Let's go over to a Celeste box. This ZENinfo also finished. Notice it's in the temp. If we look on the Z icon, you'll notice that it is in debug mode, and it will collect those logs. It is very helpful if you have it in debug mode prior to running ZENinfo, so granular information can be collected. This concludes the ZENworks highlights on ZENworks Information Collection Utility, also referred to as ZENinfo.